What is going on, my beautiful people of YouTube? It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to yet again another video. Cheers, by the way, guys. I appreciate you all for tuning in. We're almost at 50,000 subscribers, which is nuts. So in this video, we're going to break down Sofi, which, by the way, is moving up 2.5% today, and we'll break down the indexes later in the video, which earlier today, guys, 3 out of 4 of them were in the red, and now all of them are in the green. We're going in the right direction, guys, so we have a lot to cover. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, and overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer, so use that link down below or go to stasurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers again. Let's get into it. So, guys, it's about noon on the East Coast right now. I'm not too sure when you're watching this video. Either way, it's going to be relevant. We have Sofi moving to the mid-16s right now, up almost 2.5%, actually over 2.5%. We're pushing up 2.7, and we just hit a fresh high on the day. Literally now, as I'm making this video, we're at $16.47. So pretty obviously, you guys see the charts here. We're taking out the highs from Tuesday. Tuesday, we hit $16 at the high of the day. Now we're obviously breaking out of there, and on the 5-day 5-minute chart, you guys can see the inverse head and shoulders that we've been talking about is still intact. It's actually playing out now as we're making our way, by the looks of it, back towards $17 per share. So you guys see it. I mean, we have the left shoulder, the head's right here, the right shoulder, that's playing out, right? Now we're above both moving averages on this time frame, and we have a golden cross, 50 SMA crossing above the 180 SMA, which, guys, that signals more upside, and we got that golden cross a couple of days ago. I mean, this is not anything that's completely new for today, but we got the golden cross, it looks like a couple days ago, less than a week ago, and since that point, which it doesn't always happen like this, right, but in this case, since that point we got the golden cross, we've been moving, man. And with the move today, we're actually taking out the highs, not just from Tuesday, but also from a week ago. Last Thursday, we hit $15.95, $16 in the morning. Last Thursday, now we're breaking out of there. So pretty obvious here on this time frame, guys. The 5-day 5-minute, that Sofi is going to $17 by the looks of it. Obviously, it's not guaranteed in the short term. We don't know what's going to happen, but to me, this looks like a clear move towards 17. We're filling this gap right now. You guys see it in real time, and I couldn't be, I couldn't be happier. I can't complain, guys. This looks really good. And on the 30-minute chart, you guys see now we're getting the start of a golden cross on this time frame. If I zoom in a little bit, you guys see that 50 SMA now crossing over the 180 SMA. You guys see that right here. Green line crossing above the gold line. That's good news. Could signal more upside. And here we are popping. Again, up almost now 3% on the day. So, guys, Sofi is moving in the right direction. We are looking really good on all these time frames. And now we're officially up $2.50 off the low of $14, or now we're up 18% off that $14 low, which is pretty good if you ask me. And here on the 1-hour chart, you guys see we're above the moving averages, the inverse head and shoulders, the whole 9 yards. You guys see on this time frame as well. And the fact that we're filling the gap towards $17, you really can't complain there, guys. And on the 4-hour chart, like we've covered before, but I'll mention it again here, we are bouncing off the 180 SMA, popping over the 50 SMA. as of today's trading. So we're officially back over both moving averages on this 4-hour time frame for the first time in about a week. I mean, it hasn't been that long since we've been under the moving averages here, but it's good to see that we're moving in the right direction. We're back over the moving averages. So, guys, it looks really good. It looks like the uptrend is continuing, and I'd love to know what you guys are thinking down below in the comments. So you guys know, I mean, I'm a long-term investor in Sofi, but I also trade the stock from time to time when the setup looks good, and now the setup is looking good, in my opinion. I'm not in it now as a trade, but I'm considering it as we're slowly wrapping up the week here, and the year, guys, the year 2024 is slowly wrapping up, and what a crazy year it has been. And I think 2025 is going to be better, even better, guys. That's what I'm hoping for, at least. Hope all you guys had a great 2024 and have an even better 2025 as well. So, yeah, that's a quick breakdown on Sofi. Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. Hit the like button. Make sure to do that. And subscribe to the email list, guys, which is free. Put your first name and your email, and I send you my top 3 stocks every Monday right to your inbox, and that is linked down below in the description box. So, in the midst of this green day for Sofi, guys, a lot of other stocks are moving. The indexes are now up. SPY's up around barely. I mean, it was red earlier, but now we're creeping up into the green. So we're up, 0.07% on SPY. Nothing crazy, but QQQ's up the same, roughly 0.04, 0.05%. Looks like we're continuing the uptrend here on QQQ, no doubt. And let's see here, guys. What else? The Dow's up 0.1. We can see clearly the uptrend is continuing on the 4-hour chart here. You guys see that pretty clear as day. I mean, we're bouncing off the 180 moving average. Looks like we're heading towards the 50 moving average. And the Russell looks very similar to the Dow on the charts. If I pull this up, yeah, Russell now is up 0.5%, over 0.5%. Now we're moving, looks like we're moving back over the moving average here, the 180 SMA, and we're bouncing off of it. Guys, this looks pretty good in my opinion. And you know, I've been watching IJR as a trade. This is one that I'm looking to get into, small cap ETF. I think it will rebound quite nicely in the new year. Not guaranteed, obviously, but that's just my opinion. So, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe here on YouTube and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So, guys, use that link down below or go to starsurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.